Assalamu alaikum class. Good morning. How are you all? Yes, I am also fine. Class, go on, take out your maths countdown. I will start your countdown work. Maths countdown work. All of you know that these are four basic operations. Means plus, minus, multiply, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are four basic operations, right? We have complete addition and subtraction. I know very well that class, all of you understand all the sums of addition and borrowing subtraction also, right? Now I will start multiplication. I will start multiplication. Yes, class. Multiplication. Here each group has 3 ice creams and there are 2 such groups. Look at this picture, class. There are 3 ice creams in each box. And in 2 boxes there are 3 and 3 ice creams in both boxes. And now there are 2 times 3 or there are 2 times 3, right? There are 2 times 3, like, wait, there are 2 times 3, like 3 plus 3, like 3 plus 3. There are 2 times 3, 3 plus 3, right? Is equal to 6 ice creams in total. Is equal to 6 ice creams in total. There are total 6 ice creams, right? 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Yes. In other words, multiplication is repeated addition, right? Thank you. It means that multiplication is repeated addition. If we add again and again one number, so it is called multiplication. Understand? Understand, class? There are 2 times 3 ice creams in a box. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Like 3 multiplied by 1. 2 times है ना ये 2 is equal to 6. Yes. 3 is ice cream. 2, these are boxes, and the answer is total ice creams are 6. Understand, class? इट मीन्स मल्टीप्लीकेशन इज रिपीटेड एडिशन। मीन्स कि अगर हम बार बार रिपीट करें एडिशन, कोई नंबर, एक ही नंबर को बार बार, लाइक टू, 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 लाइक टू, टू प्लस टू plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 2. Come on, tell me what the number we have. 2 plus 2, 4, right? Again addition, plus 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. If we add two numbers 4 times, so we have the answer 8. Like this, 2 fours are 8. 2 fours are, मतलब हमने 2 को हमने यहाँ पे 4 टाइम्स लिखा, ऐड किया, so the answer is 8. Right, class? Understand all of you? It means that multiplication is repeated addition. अगर एक ही नंबर को हम बार बार ऐड करते चले जाएंगे तो that is multiplication. Understand all of you? Okay, class. Multiplication is presented by the sign cross. You know that addition sign is plus this. Subtraction sign is that. And the multiplication sign is that cross. Understand? Where you look, this cross sign, so you know that, you understand that, that is the multiplication question. Okay, class? Like 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. Yes. 5 6 are 30. And again, listen to me. Multiplication is represented by the sign cross, right? When we multiply two numbers, the answer we get is called product. Like here. The answer of the multiplication is called product. Means in this question, 8 is the product. Understand? Like 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. 30 is the answer, and the answer is called product. Multiplication में answer को क्या कहते हैं? Yes, it's called product. Now the next one here, when we multiply two number by the answer we get is called product, like this, 30. Okay, the number of objects in each group is called multiplicand, like this, 6. The number of objects, जितनी चीजें होंगी ना, यानी जो बॉक्स है, like this. इसमें जो आइसक्रीम्स हैं कितनी है? How many ice cream in it? 3 ice creams. So 3 is no 2 boxes. Boxes हैं multiplicated. Boxes are multiplicated means 2, and ice creams are multiplier. मतलब इन थिंग्स में अंदर जो बॉक्सेस में थिंग्स हैं जिसे हम काउंट कर रहे हैं वो है 3 मल्टीप्लाई, और उसे जितनी दफा काउंट करें, मीन्स 2, 3, 4, यहाँ पे 2 टाइम्स कर रहे हैं ना, सो 2 इज द multiplicand. Understand? Like 5 is multiplier, यानी उसके अंदर जो फ्लावर्स हैं, लाइक यहाँ पे जो आइसक्रीम्स हैं, दीज आर मल्टीप्लायर. 5, वहां पे तो 3 है, बट यहाँ पे मैंने 5 लिखा है. 5 से ये जस्ट एग्जाम्पल मैं यहाँ दे रही हूँ कि यहाँ पे जो आइसक्रीम्स शो हो रही हैं वो यहाँ पे आएगा. ठीक है, दीज आइसक्रीम्स, यहाँ पे तो 3 है ना, बट हियर इज 5 नंबर. 5 इज multiplier, 6 is multiplicand, and the answer of multiplication is product. Understand all of you? Now, class, listen to me. In the given image, look at this picture, all of you. There are 4 flowers. Yes. Which color this? Yes, these are purple and yellow in color. Its seeds are yellow. Yes. Okay, class. In this given picture, 4 flowers have 8 petals. These are 4 flowers, not 8, but it has in each flower 8 petals. There are in each flower 8 petals. Come on, count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, these are 8 petals in each flower. And there are 4 flowers, right? So come on, class. In this given picture, 4 flowers have 8 petals each. To find the total number of petals, we can multiply the numbers of flower by the numbers of petals and the product is 4 multiplied by 8 or 32. अब यहाँ पे बता रहे हैं कि इसका आंसर जो है वो प्रोडक्ट है. Which is the answer in it? Come on, add these. We have okay. Come on, answer it. We have 4 bunches. कितनी petals हैं एक flower में? In one flower there are 8 petals. Right? 8 petals. 8 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8 multiplied by 4. There are 8 petals in each flower, and there are 4 flowers. So the answer is 8 fours are. Come on, tell me what is the answer. टेबल से रन किए थे ना सबने? जल्दी जल्दी बताएं मुझे इसका आंसर क्या होगा. Yes, it's 32. The answer is 32, and the 32 is product. The answer of multiplication is called product. 8 is the multiplier and 4 is the multiplicand. Understand all of you? Okay. Now solve these multiplication, all of you. It is really very easy. 5 threes are okay. 5 threes are, yes, 15. It means that we add 5 in 3 times. 5 plus 5, sorry, plus 5 plus 5, sorry, plus 5. It means that we count 5 in 3 times. 5, 5, 5 is equal to what answer? Answer is 15. Yes, it's 15. 15 is the product. The answer of multiplication is called product. Means we have 15 product. The answer we have 15. Yes. Like 4 6 are. 4 6 are. Yes, 24. It means we add 6 and 4 times. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to, yes, 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 6, 24. Yes, 24 is the answer we have. Understand? Now the next one we have 8 twos are. What the answer we have? 8 twos are. Yes, 16. It means we have, it means that we add 8 in 2 times. We add 8 in 2 times. So we have the, what the answer we have? Yes, it's 16. It is really very easy class, not very difficult. कर लेंगे ना सब? समझ में आया सबको? Understand all of you? Now come on class. On page number 54. It is your homework. Page number 54. Come on, take out your countdown books. Page, open page number 54. 54 निकालें पहले जल्दी से पेज नंबर. ठीक है? ये मैं आपको दे रही हूँ होमवर्क, दिखा देती हूँ. ठीक है? Wait. Stop sharing and here. Okay, open your books, all of you. Open your countdown books. This page, open this page, page number 54. Open page number 54. This page, it is your homework class. वन क्वेश्चन करके बता रही हूँ, बाकी आप खुद से करेंगे. ठीक है? यहाँ पे भी देखिए, यही भी लिखा हुआ है. 8 twos are, सही से नजर आ रहा है? 8 twos are 16. What the answer we have? 8 twos are 16. And 7 threes are? 7 threes are 21. इसी तरह से ये टेबल वाइज 1 by 1 पूरा सॉल्व करना है. अंडरस्टैंड? कम ऑन, complete this page. It's your homework. And understand all of you this multiplication. And now it's time to going now. Take care. Allah Hafiz.